My name is Kostas Lazanis. Today is my last sail aboard my beloved Catalina 22.
This is the best part. Watching all that we've been dreaming of come to life. I feel it in my heart. Everything that we've been waiting for.
Good morning. Good morning, my friends. Today is a very, very special day. A very sentimental day. This is gonna be our last sail on Felicity, my 1983 Catalina 22. Really just taking my time today out here, motoring out of the marina. A beautiful Saturday morning. I meant to get out even earlier, but just took a little while getting out to the marina today. I really wanted to get out on the lake for sunrise and take all of this in one last time on this Catalina 22. Any day is a beautiful day to be out on the lake, but today's just extra special. There's next to no wind out here, and that makes it perfect for single-handing and just really taking all of this in. I'm glad that we're on a very, very light wind day. Haven't had any breakfast yet today. Just a little protein shake. I just went below deck and grabbed this line here and ran it from one cleat around here 2 times and the other cleat. That way I don't have to mind the tiller. Nothing beats putting the sailboat on autopilot and coming down below deck into the cabin and hanging out with all of you. First of all, I want to say thank you so incredibly much for the support on this YouTube channel. I made 700 videos of daily vlogging and restaurant stuff. I haven't received so much love than the love that I've received from the sailing community. A lot of criticism from you salty dogs. I think one video I didn't wear my life jacket and I was notified over 1,000 times. But thank you, that's how you learn. You know, I love that and I take it in strides, and every single piece of feedback is always appreciated. Here we are, the last sail. I'm gonna be sailing this boat, S-E-L-L-I-N-G, this week. I wanted to take her out one last time, and I wanted to do it with all of you. Oh, man. It's emotional because there'll never be another first sailboat. When I bought this boat, I got to do so much varnishing the hatch boards and rebuilding the main cabin table, just detailing everything. I got to take it out for a bottom job, the ability to wash and wax all the non-skid, Man, just so many things. All the electrical we got done, adding all the LED lights. I really have poured my heart into this sailboat, and I'm excited for her to go to a new owner. Why am I selling my Catalina 22, you ask? Well, it comes down to functionality, and with my 5 daughters, it's just not big enough for the lake outings that I want to do. And even whenever I entertain guests, I'm limited to 2, perhaps 3 guests comfortably. So if I want to bring another family on board that may have 4 or 5 people, or if I want to bring my kids and another family or 2 couples, it gets really cramped. A driving force of me wanting to do this is for the family. Having a boat with a head, a real functioning toilet for the girls to go use the restroom on if they're stuck out in the lake, especially if we're sailing and we're not swimming during the fall and winter time. Having just a cool place to hang out that's air conditioned, because this is Texas and it gets hotter than Hades. So those are all the components of a boat, because essentially without those components, I mean, you can come out and sail and that's beautiful, but you can't enjoy the boat in its totality. And for me, I'm looking for a boat with more components, more problems. I want to learn all the different systems of a real boat, from a diesel engine to dealing with the bilge pumps and black water and all of those things. I'm excited for the next challenge. If you have watched any of my videos or know me at all, you know that I like a challenge, and taking on a boat of that magnitude will certainly provide. Now, no, don't get me wrong, I have not even mastered this boat yet. Like, there's still so much more for me to learn, even on a boat of this size. But I will continue to learn just on a bigger boat. Okay, friends, as we make our way back to the harbor, I want to say goodbye. I know a lot of you won't be coming back because you're watching these videos because it's Catalina 22 specific. For the rest of you sailors, we are not done taking on the waters, and I hope to see you soon on our next sailing adventure.